Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll show you how you can handle cookies in Selenium WebDriver. As per today's topics, I set it up this way. Cookie handle in Selenium WebDriver will capture all cookies with get all cookies command, then delete a specific cookie, thereafter delete all cookies and verify. So in order to do that, we will use the application demoqa.com. So in order to write our Selenium script, we need a editor. As usual, we'll use the Eclipse editor. You can use any editor. So here already project package is set it up. Those who are very new in Selenium WebDriver as well as Eclipse, if you want to know how to set up Selenium in Eclipse, then I have a separate video for that. I'll put that link in the description box. You can watch from there. So here is the package, right click package, then new. We'll do the other, then JUnit test case, then click next. You need to write your class name over here. So cookie handle my class name, then click finish. So here is our test class. We need to write our script over here. First thing, we need to do the system.set properties for our Gecko driver. As we will use Firefox browser use the Gecko driver. So we need to set that one. System.set property. Here is the set property is key value pair. Key is the WebDriver dot Gecko dot driver. Value is the Gecko driver path. So we have a path. Let me copy from there. Here is our Gecko driver path. Copy from here and paste it over here. Thereafter we need to initialize Firefox driver. WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Here you will see the red mark WebDriver and Firefox driver. We need to import the package. So import that, error will be gone. Thereafter we need to driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. After opening browser, we need to do the maximization, otherwise you will not be able to see all the elements in the application. Thereafter driver dot get. Here you need to enter your application URL. Our application URL, copy from here and paste it over here. So after opening application, you need to wait little bit in order to load the application. Thread.sleep. Let me put the wait time 5000 millisecond. What will be 5 seconds. So red mark, mouse over, add those declaration, red mark will be gone. Thereafter we need to set org.openqa.selenium.cookie. Thereafter cookies list, it is a variable, thereafter equal to driver dot manage dot get cookies, then semicolon. So here is the red mark for set, mouse over, import the package Java util. So here in this variable you will get the cookies list. Then we need to do the iteration with the for loop so that all the cookies can be captured. So here for let me copy from here, that will be easier. Get cookies clone. Here is the cookies list. Let me copy from here. Now we need to print that all the cookies whatever captured in the console. SYSO system out.println. So captured cookies, then concatenate with that variable get cookies. So what it will do, it will open the application, then it will iterate and capture all the cookies and print it in the console. Thereafter we need to do driver.quit. It will close the application, then save it, right click, run as JUnit test. Let's see how it works. It will open Firefox browser. Firefox browser is open. It will maximize the browser. It will navigate the application demoqa.com. It is navigated. Then it will capture all the cookies and it will print it in the console. Then it will close the browser. So it closed. Let's see all the cookies captured or not. You see all the cookies printed in the console. That means here, if you see, here is the 11 cookies, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So here from the first cookie, we can take this cookie's name, we'll delete a specific cookie. Thereafter, we'll do the same operation to see that it works or not. Driver.manage.delete cookies. You see the cookie name with the string. We'll put that string name over here. So that means this command will delete this cookie. Thereafter, rest of them will print. That means next time run, it will print 10 cookies. So clear out this one. Let me run this script again. Right click, run as JUnit test. Okay, it is saved. Let's see how it works. It is running. Application open, browser open. It will maximize and application is open. Then it will perform the action and it will close the browser. So it is done. Let me take a look, all are printed or not. Yep, you see that Panorama ID expiry, there is no more. Here is 10 cookies printed. That means one is deleted. That means first script we captured all of those. Thereafter we deleted one cookie. Let me comment this one, and now we will delete all the cookie. This run we will not see anything in the console or printed cookies because we will delete everything. Driver.manage.delete all cookies. This will delete everything so that for loop will not get any cookies and it will not print anything. So right click, clear. Okay, let me rerun this one. It will delete all cookies and it will console will not print anything because all are deleted. For loop will not get any cookies name. So run as JUnit test. Let's see how it works. Browser opens. It will maximized, and it is navigating to the application. It will delete all the cookie for this application. Then it will not print anything in the console cookies name. So it is done. Let me take a look in the console. There is no cookie printed because it has been deleted all with this command. So that's all for today's tutorial. Our tutorial was capturing all cookie, delete a specific cookie, then delete all cookies. In this way you can handle cookies in Selenium WebDriver. So that's all for today's tutorial. I think this video will be very helpful for themselves, those who are new in Selenium as well as cookie handling. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.